Alright guys, so this week we are doing a fancy ratatouille that will go well with any main dish, and for this we have our little friend here that's gonna help us cook this. So let's go, tell me what to do now. Okay, we're chopping this. We need tomato, eggplant, zucchini, olive oil, garlic, basil, parsley, thyme, salt, pepper, and my little helper. Alright, so for this ratatouille, we will start with the aromatic oil that we will put on our veggie. And let's start with 4 cloves of garlic. Garlic's in. It smells good. After that, we will put the basil. And put your basil on top of each other like this. And you roll it just like this. I'm not very good at rolling herbs, but there you go. And you slice it like this. This will prevent the basil to bruise under your knife with too many strokes. After that, we need about the same amount of parsley. Should be fine. You can remove the bigger stems on this, but don't go too crazy. Those are good anyway. And some thyme also. Those here you can remove the stems. Like the parsley, don't go crazy. Just remove the big chunk. Alright, so when the big part of the stems are removed, chop this finely. And now add some salt and pepper. This again. Come on. Come on. Can I have a proper pepper mill, please? Thank you. And some freshly ground black pepper. This one's worked fine. And finally, the oil. So with the zucchini, we want to make nice even slices, and this is a thickness that will work with our recipe. Wow, 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 wow. Of course, be careful with the mandolin. Those things like to eat your fingers. And the answer is no, I don't have the guard anymore. And cut the eggplant on the same way. And the way we will cut those tomatoes are pretty cool. Just cut the extremities first and do a cut in the half like this and cut it like a pepper bell. No, a bell pepper. And you can run it again just to make it thinner. Run your knife flat on your counter. Yep. Save this for later. And cut the rest of the tomato. So now it's time to roll all these veggies together. We take the tomato, the zucchini, the eggplant, and another slide of tomato, and one other of each. And now we start rolling this. Like I said, I'm not a rolling expert, but I will do my best. It's gonna be a beautiful. And with a pick, go all the way through. And this is how it looks like. And then we will put those in a cast iron, just like this. And brush it with our herbs and aromatics. And pour the rest on the bottom of the pan. It will infuse with the delicious flavor. Now in the oven at 375 we will put this cover with foil for 30 minutes and then uncover for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it. Ooh, oh wow, this is a beautiful. This is pretty easy to do and it will give the nice fancy touch to your main dish. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Please leave a like to the video, it makes a big difference on the channel. See you on the next episode.